What is going on, guys? It's your boy Andy in the house, and the Bitcoin halving is over. It's done. It just happened a couple of hours ago. And the question right now is, what can you expect to happen with the Bitcoin price? That's why we have to talk about this chart, this here, and of course the ETF flow. So stick with me, guys. So first of all, the Bitcoin halving, let me just give you a short introduction. Basically, the miners mine Bitcoin, yeah, and per block they get a certain reward, okay? And every 4 years this reward gets cut, yeah, into half, okay? That's why it's called Bitcoin halving. So let me show you. It started 2009, yeah, per block they got 50 rewards. Then we had the first halving, yeah, the reward went down to 25. Second halving, it went down to 12.5. Third halving, 2020, the reward went down to 6.25, and now they will just get 3.125 Bitcoin as a reward for mining. Yeah. So and usually, yeah, what happens around the halving? Let me show you guys. We will talk about this. Yeah. So usually, as you can see here, before the halving, yeah, 365 days before the halving, before the first halving, the price went up 385%, yeah. And usually, always before the halving, the price drops a little bit, yeah. If I zoom in here, you can see here, you can see it here. And after, yeah, the first year after the halving, the price went up over 8,000%, yeah. So the second halving, yeah, in the year before, the price went up 142%, and after the halving, yeah, after the halving, it went up 284%. After the third halving, in the year before, it went up 17%. But more interesting now, after the third halving, 365 days, as you can see, the price went up 559%. Yeah. So, and the halving just happened. As you can see here, usually the price always goes up. Yeah, as you can see, it went up, and here it went up. So we can expect the price to go up over the next months, let's say, okay? And let me also show you guys, I tweeted this here, yeah. The price of Bitcoin was around 61,000 when I tweeted this. I said, watch out for liquidity grab in the area around 60K and 64.5K, yeah? And look what happened, guys, exactly what I said. They grabbed the liquidity here and they grabbed it up here, yeah? As you can see here, I tweeted this, yeah, and exactly that happened. So it's also important that you follow me over on Twitter, now called X, guys, yeah? So in the immediate short term, as you can see here, this line here acted as resistance, yeah, and we broke above it. And as of right now, basically we are retesting this line here as support. And also the next bigger resistance, so to say, is this line here. It's basically, let's go to the 4-hourly chart. It's the resistance line coming from the all-time high. Yeah? As you can see here, we broke above it, then we broke below it. And at the moment, we are quite far away from it. Yeah, so you can see it's around, at the price of around 68K. And to break really bullish now, I would say, first of all, we have to stay above the white line here, guys. Yeah. And then we have this, you see here, these levels of resistance at around 66K and around 67K. Yeah. So we have to break above this. This is a bigger support, now acting as resistance, guys. This green box here and also this here. So to break really bullish, first of all, we can go higher at the moment to here. And then we have to break the green box and also the white line. And then the way, so to say, free to reach the all-time high. Let me also show you what this means volume-wise. As you can see here, as of right now, the most traded volume is exactly at this price level at around 63.5, 64K. Yeah. Then the volume decreases, and then we have the next bigger cluster at around 69K in perfect confluence with this descending white line and the green area here. Yeah. So that's what's going on here, guys. As you can also see here, the ETFs, yeah, they had a lot of volume, and the last weeks the volume is very low basically, and there's actually also more money going out. Okay, so let me show you what's going on with Ethereum. Basically quite easy to understand. We have the red line acting as support at around 3K and the yellow line here acting as resistance. Yeah. So to break really bullish, as you can see here, this could be seen as some kind of triangle formation here. We have to break the yellow line to flip really bullish, and then we have some resistance coming in at around $3,300, guys. And then the next levels to watch are those here. Yeah. So that's what's going on at the moment, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.